In this video, I am going to tell you how to reset Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So welcome to another video of TechZone. To reset your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra phone, first you need to open Settings application. So for that, swipe up on your home screen. Now open Settings application. Scroll down. Tap on General Management. Scroll down. Now click on Reset. Scroll down and here is the option Reset All Settings. Click on it. So this will reset security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps. So if you want to reset your whole phone, your Samsung Galaxy Ultra, your all data will be lost. So if you want to do that, or if you want your data, then first backup. So how to backup? Go back. And here is the option temporary cloud backup, external storage backup. You can select anyone and then backup your data. Now click on reset all settings, then click on reset settings. All settings will be reset to their default and can't be recovered. To apply the new settings, your phone will restart. So now click on reset. So in this way, you can reset your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechZone.